Today is the day we are contacting the winner of the 1975 RamCharger. What's up guys? It is Wednesday, September 10th, and that is a big deal because today is the day we are contacting the winner of the 1975 RamCharger. If you haven't seen this truck and its journey, let's run the highlight reel.
All right, everybody ready?
Oh, yeah. Watching this YouTube channel, you probably subscribe to the channel and you probably know that we are giving this truck away along with $5,000 to one lucky subscriber out there. And today is that day. September 1st was the last day. We took a snapshot of all the people who are subscribed to our channel. We sent them all to our sweepstakes company. They picked a winner at random. I got that email this morning. We looked up the channel and that's where we are right now, because now I need your help, internet, and we're gonna tag this winner in this video. We're gonna tag you in the description. We'll do a comment. We're gonna tag you in there. But that's all the contact info we have for this winner. With no further ado, the winner is, and I'm gonna butcher this name, apologize in advance, Dino Kadrabasic, and this is his channel. We'll pop it up right here. He's got a really cool channel where he's showcasing all of his artistic talent. But he is a subscriber to the RestoMods channel, so I hope you're watching this video, Dino. And if you're watching this video, reach out to us. Send us an email, support@restomods.com. We love all of you guys, but right now I'm just only talking to Dino. Dino, send us an email, support@restomods.com, and we will verify that you own this channel that was picked at random to win this truck and $5,000. And then we'll begin the process of awarding you this truck. We'll probably fly you out here to San Diego, hang out with us, check out your new truck, put $5 grand in your pocket like we do with all of our winners. But this contact process is a little bit new for us. So help us out, internet. If you know Dino, give him a call. Tell him to check out this video. We're gonna tag him, and Dino has 3 days from the publication of this video to get in touch with us and officially sign his paperwork. Guys, watch out for scammers. There are a lot of scammers out there on the internet. There's no cost for Dino to claim this prize. So if someone contacts you and says, hey, you won this prize, just send us $500, that's all fake. Okay, Dino, contact us, support@restomods.com. We'll verify that you own this YouTube channel, and then we will award you this prize right here, which is a 1975 RamCharger and $5,000. So internet, join me in congratulating Dino on his new truck, which is the nicest RamCharger in the world, and $5,000 in cash, and we hope to be talking to you soon.